The landscape view, remember, has 4 distinct stages. First of all, use the landscape or horizontal format for all of your documents. Second, write just 1 sentence per line with 2 spaces at the end of every line. Third, single space your document. And fourth, skip a space between paragraphs. So here's a challenge. How do you convert the landscape view with 1 sentence per line to the standard block view? And then also, how do you convert back from the block format to the landscape view 1 sentence per line? Let's look at them each in turn. Suppose you want to take this draft text using the landscape view and turn it into the standard block view. This might be your final draft and you want to submit it to a teacher or editor or colleague. So what do? You might want to define the text that you want to convert. Go to Edit, Find, and Replace. Then, in the Find bar, type 2 spaces and the paragraph symbol. You can get the paragraph symbol from the drop-down on that Find bar. Then, in the Replace bar, type 2 spaces. Then, type Replace All. Voila! You have successfully converted your text from the landscape view with 1 sentence per line to the standard block view. Now, suppose you want to go the other way. Suppose you want to convert from the standard block format to the landscape view with just 1 sentence per line. Okay, here's what you do. Again, you need to define whatever text you want to convert. Edit, Find, Replace. In the Find bar, type 2 spaces. Then, in the Replace bar, type 2 spaces plus the paragraph mark, which again you can get from the drop-down. Then hit Replace All. Voila! You have converted block format back to the landscape view with 1 sentence per line. Just screenshot this slide so you can see easily how to move both ways, from liner to block or from block to liner. Now it's your turn. Take any draft of a work in progress. Reformat it for the landscape view. Remember, put 2 spaces at the end of every line. Then, use the conversion process to turn it into standard blocks. Then, use the conversion process to turn it back to the landscape view. You are now a pro converter.